So you must have seen this on the news today about this. Well, you must have heard about it or seen it in social media or whatever. This event where the sky lights up blue, and people thought it was aliens and whatever, or like Independence Day, yeah. But it lights up the sky like blue. It just reminds me of Project BLUEBEAM. They talk about Project BLUEBEAM, preparing for, people to believe that there'll be an alien invasion. It's almost as if this is like a little test for that. I'm not saying it's deliberate, could be, but that's what it seems like, and making it blue for the mockery of Project BLUEBEAM. Listen to this.
I turned blue.
Wowzers!
It's not an end of days film or a disaster film. You think it could be.
It's not a filter.
No, it did cause loads of confusion among residents. They were all uploading videos to social media. It's reportedly the result of a transformer explosion at a power plant in the east of the city.
Yeah, so that fire is now under control. You can see a little bit of the smoke there. Nobody was injured, but there's been lots of power outages reported around the city, and basically everybody thinking that they're in some kind of weird movie set. Well, earlier, a local senator described to American media what he saw.
It was freaky. It was like Independence Day in the movie, where you just look up and a weird blue color that you haven't seen lighting up the clouds in the sky. It looked like something was above the clouds, but in fact it was just the fire, I guess, at this location.
Yeah.
Wow.
Independence Day, Marvels, The Avengers.
Aquaman, I think, is the one I thought.
Kat,
maybe.
what are you thinking of here?
It's one of those. I remember when I felt a earthquake that had its epicenter in Dudley once a few years ago.
Was that in the 80s? No, I remember the one.
It was.
Right, now listen to this, right, and look at the demeanour of this woman in the white, right? To be there, to be the skeptic, her facial expressions are very telling, right? She's there to play the skeptic, and she's there controlling these two on this topic of what to say and how far to go with it, in my opinion. Watch this. Got the orange tree there, but that's another side project. BBC and ITV love their orange. But let's play this.
It's the one I thought.
Kat,
maybe.
what are you thinking of here?
Watch the one in the white.
I remember when I
the one in the
felt
white's
a
demeanour.
earthquake that had its epicenter in Dudley once a few
She
years
just
ago.
cuts her
Was
off.
that in the 80s? No, I
It was
remember
like,
the one.
it was
being
in the
one
early
years ago.
2000s.
Right, okay.
And I remember my logical reaction was, I think aliens might have landed.
Oh.
And I thought, that's just ludicrous.
That's not illogical.
It was just, my instinct was like, oh my goodness, the aliens are here. And
Wow.
I was a bit worried that was my first reaction.
I'm a
to
bit
feeling
worried
an
about you
earthquake.
both.
Look at this one with the white shirts.
The
Look at her
universe is
face,
too
right?
big for them not to
The one with the
exist.
white
I
shirt.
would have been...
Why? The universe is too big.
once a few years ago.
Was that in the 80s? No, I remember the one.
It was
being
in the
one
early
years ago.
2000s.
Right, okay.
And I remember my logical reaction was, I think aliens might have landed.
Oh.
And I thought, that's just ludicrous.
That's not illogical.
It was just, my instinct was like, oh my goodness, the aliens are here. And
Wow.
I was a bit worried that was my first reaction.
I'm a
to
bit
feeling
worried
an
about you
earthquake.
both,
So
I'll
I'd
be
have been-
honest.
Why? The universe is too big for them not to exist.
I would have been convinced.
I don't think we have the time or the inclination this morning, do we, to decide?
Whether aliens exist or not. It's a big topic. Let's not go there. And let's talk about West Ham. What a December it's been for them. I mean, Christmas come early.
One of the purple there looks off to the side just to check. Hey, handler.
West Ham. They've won 15 points this month, which is the most points they've ever won in any league ever.
What's going on?
Yeah, basically they cut off. She just cuts them off, like, hey, shut up, kind of thing. But it kind of just reminded me of Project BLUEBEAM conditioning kind of thing, and the fact that the sky's blue as well. That's what kind of this story reminded me of. Sorry, a bit tired here. Yeah. Little test, perhaps, for Project BLUEBEAM. Making people believe that because of these movies of alien invasion, that, that could happen as a possibility. I don't think that will happen for many reasons. There you go. Leave it there.